week since we went to the Crescent, so here we are heading out again. This time we're heading to Devil's Den State Park to see if we can find Bigfoot.
We're gonna go caving, get some bats, have some fun, run around in the mountains.
Wish us luck. And here we are at Devil's Den State Park. It looks like we finally made it. We only got lost once along the way.
It's a good day.
It's a good day. We have backpacks, we have water, we have everything we need to go up hiking on this trail. So here we go. Let's go see what the Butterfield Trail is like. Start on the Butterfield Trail. Looks like we're going to be on this one for a few hours. Here we go. Stone bridge on the trail, just as you're leaving the park. It's gorgeous. We decided to take a break and find out where the trail's at. We seem to have lost our way. At least we're still in civilization. Dead of winter here in Arkansas, and I just want to show you how brutal the weather has been. Here's where we got to cross the river. And now it's my turn. Into the forest, and what do you find? A cemetery from 1840. Wow. To the spot where we're going to stop for lunch, have a short break, something to eat, something to drink. This is a gorgeous little spot, it really is. It's over. Guess we're about to start heading back out on the trail.
Up the hill.
Up the hill. 20-mile hike. We finally, it was 20 miles, wasn't it, Daisy?
Thought it was 30.
30, yeah, 30 miles. We finally made it back to the car alive. Daisy had to start carrying the pack. All right, got the tent up finally. Not bad if I do say so myself. All right, now we got the makings of a fire. Just waiting for Daisy to get back. Another helpful tip when you're out camping, instead of throwing your toilet paper rolls away, throwing the lint from your dryer away, stuff the lint down in the toilet paper roll, like so. Then when you're trying to get a fire going, toss it in. It will help get the fire going really quick. That's just a little tip for Mr. Whoopi. Let there be fire. First thing on the menu is good old roasted corn. Oh, that's gonna be good. Then I think fish is up next. Woohoo! So tell me, Miss Daisy, how do you like our camping adventure so far?
I love it. Love camping. Camping's always fun. And we've been in all summer. I mean, all winter. Sorry. See, you're good. We've been inside all winter long. And it's a nice change of atmosphere. The smell of the campfires in the air and people cooking and laying around out in the wilderness. I don't know. You gotta love Arkansas. It's beautiful here.
I second that.
Come here, look at that fish boy. Come here. Come here. Oh yeah. Stuck around the face.
You want that machete? I mean, you can reach in there.
I probably could do that right now. I'm gonna need some more of that Cajun cheese on there. That's some good stuff right there. I was really disappointed in that cemetery.
Wasn't much of a cemetery, if I can give you that.
I think we'll go ahead and take the back roads back and not the highway. Because like I said, me just going to Westport today, I forgot the beauty in driving to Fort Smith on those back roads. And you know, there's like 4 cemeteries on the way back. Probably 4 or 5. Then we can stop, chill.
Works for me.
Well, we gotta find out the history behind that cemetery up on that mountain.
Considering it's from 1840, was it?
Is that what it said?
Yeah, it said the cemetery was a family cemetery from 1840.
Rocks or what?
I guess. I couldn't see any headstones or anything.
Couldn't either, and I was looking for like markings.
How did they know it was a cemetery?
So, yeah. That's kind of weird. I really love our backdrop too. Turn the camera around and show the backdrop. It shows it. Just like up here in the rugged Rocky Mountains.
This is the backdrop.
This is what we look at when we look at a campsite. It's really pretty. We sure have been spending a lot of time in the mountains lately. We've spent Daddy's Day and we'll go up to the mountains.
Given a choice of sitting at home in front of the TV or in front of the computer, I would much, much rather be out here. What do you think, Daisy?
I'm in for it.